As housing becomes more diverse, the role of medical advisors is becoming increasingly important. Medical advisors are experts in understanding the needs of occupants, and they can help ensure that health and well-being are taken into account when designing or managing a residential setting. They can provide advice on air quality, sanitation, lighting, and other factors that impact occupant health. With expert guidance from medical advisors, housing providers can create environments that foster physical and mental wellness for all occupants. Ensuring the health and safety of residents in residential settings is an important part of providing quality care. It is essential to promote and maintain the health and safety of residents to provide a safe and secure environment for them to live in. This can be achieved through the implementation of effective policies, procedures, and practices that are designed to protect the physical, mental, emotional, and social well-being of all those living in residential settings. Additionally, it is important to provide adequate training for staff members so that they are aware of how to best promote and maintain the health and safety of residents. By taking these steps, we can ensure that all those living in residential settings have access to a safe and secure environment. Accessible and inclusive housing is an important issue for those with disabilities, the elderly, and those with chronic health conditions. It is essential to ensure that they have access to safe and comfortable housing that meets their needs. This can be achieved through various measures such as providing accessible features in existing buildings, creating new housing developments specifically designed for accessibility, and encouraging the use of assistive technologies in homes. By facilitating accessible and inclusive housing, we can help to ensure that everyone has access to safe and comfortable living spaces regardless of their abilities or health conditions. Collaborating with medical advisors and healthcare providers is essential for any business to ensure the safety and well-being of its customers. By partnering with experienced medical advisors and healthcare providers, businesses can gain access to valuable information about the latest trends in the healthcare industry as well as best practices for providing quality healthcare services. This will help them create better products and services that meet the needs of their customers. Furthermore, collaborating with healthcare professionals can help businesses develop strategies to better manage their resources and improve customer satisfaction. In today's world, mental health and social connections are two of the most critical aspects of overall well-being. Mental health is essential for good physical and emotional health, and social relationships are necessary for a sense of belonging and purpose. Unfortunately, many people struggle with their mental health or lack of social connections due to various life circumstances. That is why it is so important to promote mental health and social well-being in our society. By providing support systems, resources, education, and awareness campaigns, we can help ensure that everyone has access to the tools they need to maintain their mental health and build meaningful relationships with others. Medical advisors play an important role in housing as they can provide medical advice on a wide range of topics related to housing. They can help with the assessment of the health risks associated with various housing conditions and can also advise on the best ways to improve living conditions for those who may be vulnerable or at risk. Medical advisors are also able to provide invaluable guidance on how best to support people who may be facing difficulties in their homes, such as those affected by disability or illness. Ultimately, medical advisors play an essential role in ensuring that everyone has access to safe and healthy homes. Written by Now Medical.